concrete friends. Welcome back to the joy of concrete, but this is a revisiting of Ramencrete, Willet Concrete. This is the joy of concrete. This is the exclusive channel of Concrete. It's a channel where we have fun with concrete. So if you've missed the video that this goes along with, there's an older video that you can find here, here in the bar. There's a bar of videos. I really hope the old video shows up here, or else you can click on the channel and find a video that's Willet Concrete Ramen, because this is revisiting Willet Concrete Ramen, just to see. So I'm going to pull out some objects that can be our comparison objects for Willet Concrete. So the first thing right off the bat, it's dramatically lighter. Oh, I should have brought my scale. Should I go get a scale? Quite a bit lighter. You know what? I grabbed my scale. It's got a little LCD display, which I think will show up in video, but might not. It might be all like how they do sometimes. But let's do a little weight check. Okay, so mini cactus planter, regular weight, 440 grams, 442 grams, approximately 440 grams. Mini cactus planter with ramen, 300 grams. Yeah, that's dramatically lighter, close to 30% lighter. Okay, whoa. That's a lot. That's a lot. How many grams you lose off this mini cactus planter? A lot. Okay, so that's one thing. If you add ramen, you can drop the weight on your objects. Now, the thing I'm curious about is, does it still smell? And it doesn't really. There's a little bit of a cakey, floury smell to it. This isn't gluten-free anymore. But no, it doesn't smell. I think I can break it. Oh, yo, boy. Wait. Oh, that sucks. You can't see if I tuck my chin in. I'm gonna have to use the powers of Grayskull to buzz this one apart. Come on. Okay, never mind. Whew. And I'm not going to try to compress it. If you're going to break it apart, pulling it apart is one way. So I'm going to try to break it this way too. No. Okay. The surface texture is different, which might be the flavor packet. I did put a flavor packet in here. And I can see some noodly bits showing up, little curls. Where's the focus on this thing? In there, and there. You can see them in the back. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's... This is a bit harder. For sure. This is older too, but interesting. Willet Concrete, 100%. It will concrete. Let's check out the tile though. The tile might be more telling, for strength at least. So here's an old tile. These things are strong. I might still be able to break it though. A tile is, I probably don't quite have the leverage on this thing. Come on. God, nope. Nope. Not a chance. Okay. This thing, I'm pretty confident I'm going to bust it. Yeah. I broke it. Oh! Look at all that ramen. Oh, now it stinks. Okay. Oop. Let's see if we can just put this carefully. Stay inside, stink. Put this carefully back together. There we go. Just a quick press and I'll seal it. Is it sealed back together? Ah, good. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm half kidding. There's the ramen. That looks kind of awesome. Ramarazo. It's got a ramarazo texture to it. Oh, but it's awful smelling. Oh my goodness. The concrete like really neutralizes and encapsulates the stank of this thing. Better. But once you, oh, that's good. Oh, no, that's no good. I almost, kind of looks a bit delicious though. Don't get any ideas. Oh, it looks delicious. Don't eat it. I want to eat it. Ah, dang it. Don't eat it. I'm not going to eat this. Okay. Will it concrete? Yes. Does it kind of stink? Yes. Does it look like something you might want to eat? Actually, kind of yes. Now I'm actually starting to wonder if you took and crushed up like this kind of this pre-cooked cheap ramen noodle packets. Oh, there's some green onion. Look, look, look. This is part of my flavor packet. Little green onion bit. But could you take ramen noodles, crunch them up like this, and put them in a chocolate bar? Ritter Sport. Oh, Ritter Sport, I'm talking to you. I want my ramen noodle chocolate bar because I'm looking at this and I'm like, if this was like tasty chocolate, I would eat it. It looks a bit like tasty something. Doesn't smell tasty. Looks tasty though. Whew. I'm getting hungry. I didn't eat enough. Oh man, I gotta have a snack. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta have a snack. Bye everybody. Thanks for tuning back into Will It Concrete, a recap of the ramen noodle recap. I'm glad that you joined us. And like, comment, hit that notification button, subscribe, just watch videos, or go to the website if you're looking for more concrete info. We've got lots of info on there for you. How to have fun with concrete. Thanks, everyone. Goodbye.